We have a great team here at North Shields at Formica, and we have a very promising future.
I like working for Formica because it's an exciting business to work for.
What do I love about Formica? Two things: the people. Secondly, the challenge, the fact that every single day we're trying to make this business better.
I like working for Formica Europe because I get to travel amongst the different countries that we have factories and suppliers around Europe.
Travailler pour Formica, c'est travailler pour une belle marque à redécouvrir. J'ai trouvé de nombreux challenges et opportunités dans un contexte international.
Enjoyed working at North Shields. We're always making new launches, new colours, new textures, so there's always something interesting and we'll have to get the teeth into.
The reason that I like working for Formica is that it's a well-known brand, and I'm very, very proud to be part of the factory here and to be leading the operation.
The reason I like working for Formica is because we've got a fantastic working environment, and pretty much every day I've been here for the last 2.5 years, someone's made me laugh and I've gone home feeling good.
At Formica we have a multicultural group of individuals that work in approximately 12 different languages. That's why I love working at Formica, for the diverse and amazing people in our team.
We have a great team and every day is a challenge.
What I like working for Formica is a promising company with a great future now.
Everybody's really nice, a family environment, so it's a fun-loving place and anybody's welcome to work here.
I like working at Formica because the staff are very friendly. It's a nice place to work. Been here for just coming up to 15 years, so no complaints at all.